Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. So in today's video, I will teach you about the workplace position and roles, also the workplace and office terms. So as you remember in the previous video, we have seen about the application and requirement terms and also about the general jobs and employment terms that are used to call them in Ethiopia. So and today we will see about workplace positions and roles, workplace positions and roles. So let's see one by one. So manager. So manager it is means astadadar. Manager means it means in Amharic astadadar, astadadar, astadadar. And director. Director. It is, by the way, these are the roles. The roles are used to call them. Example. So manager. Manager. It is to manage or to manage the country or to manage the organization. So it is the role of the manager. So manager it means astadadari. Manager means in Amharic astadadari. And director it means in Amharic director. Director also the same pronunciation. Director. And supervisor or person in charge. It means in Amharic halafi. Halafi. And secretary it means in Amharic ጸሐፊ. Secretary means in Amharic ጸሐፊ. And accountant it means in Amharic ሂሳብ ባለሙያ. So most of the time these accountants are workers in bank. So accountant ሂሳብ ባለሙያ. And teacher. So teacher it is in Amharic መምህር. Teacher means in Amharic መምህር. And doctor it means in Amharic ሐኪም. Doctor means in Amharic ሐኪም. And a nurse it is a nurse. Also nurse. It is the same pronunciation with the English one. So a nurse is the same with an Amharic nurse. So the pronunciation is the same. Nurse. And engineer it means in Amharic መሐንዲስ. Engineer means in Amharic መሐንዲስ. And police officer it is police. Police officer it means police. And the other is workplace and office terms. So there are words or terms used to name the workplace and office terms. So let's see. So office it means in Amharic ቢሮ. Office means in Amharic ቢሮ. And organizations in Amharic it means ድርጅት. Organization it means in Amharic ድርጅት. And company it means in Amharic company. Company means in Amharic company or ኩባንያ. Company, so most of the time it is called like company, but sometimes ኩባንያ. Company means ኩባንያ or company. And institution it means in Amharic ተቋም. Institution means in Amharic ተቋም. And department in Amharic ክፍል. Department means in Amharic ክፍል. And meeting it means in Amharic ስብሰባ. Meeting means in Amharic ስብሰባ. And a report it means in Amharic report. It's the same pronunciation and the same sound. A report it means in Amharic also report. And project also project. Project it means in Amharic project. It means in Amharic project. And job performance it means in Amharic ስራ አፈጻጸም. It means in Amharic ስራ አፈጻጸም. And evaluation it means in Amharic ግምገማ. It means evaluation it means in Amharic ግምገማ. Evaluation it means in Amharic ግምገማ. So this is all about today's lesson. It is the workplace position and also about the workplace and office terms. So thanks for watching my videos. So like my videos and subscribe my channel. So see you to another video. Bye.